Dear student, class 8 English version. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 10 social problem of Bangladesh. Social problem exists in the society. It creates adverse effects on the people, and few people take collective efforts to save the people. Social problem is one kind of problem which affected more people. There are many social problems in Bangladesh, like juvenile offense, drug addiction are two major problem of them. At present, these two major problems are the concern of everybody. Lesson 1: the idea and causes of juvenile delinquency. Actually, different offenses committed either by the immature boys and girls or the juvenile are called juvenile delinquency. Sociologists and lawyers differ on the age range of juvenile offenders. Offensive work done by the boys and girls between 7 to 16 years. The age identify the sociologist and lawyer 7 to 6 years old are called juvenile offense in Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka. On the other hand, the age range of juvenile offenders in Pakistan, Thailand is 7 to 8. Bangladesh juvenile offenders age limit 7 to 16, and Pakistan, Thailand 7 to 18. In Japan, it is very important for your MCQ. This age range is 14 to 20 years. Juvenile offenders break the laws. Actually, they want to break the laws and uh, and rules of the state society. They think it is one kind of adventure, but they and that's why they are juvenile offenders. The vices that are treated as juvenile offense, as uh, uh, few years ago, one juvenile case I see, I observed it, the newspaper Oishi, who killed his her father and mother for money, and actually she was a drug addicted person, and when their parents did not uh, give him her money, and they murdered him she murdered father and mother, and she convinced uh, in the court why he uh, did this type of work. The feeling look, juvenile offenses are stealing, murdering, gambling, fleeing from the school, fleeing from the home, adopting unfair means in the examination, unruly activities in school or on the road, pickpocketing, threat someone, and beating, bombing, breaking vehicles, traveling without ticket like train, bus. If teaching is a major issue. This type of work, throwing acid, they did not know what kind of dangerous thing of acid. When they throw it, the girls face and bodies, and totally their the girls bodies damage, and organ will be damaged. These guys did not know what is the action of acid. Torturing women, watching obscene film, taking drugs, etc. The juvenile offenders of our country are associated with these offenses. Juveniles become offenders from different reasons. Poverty, very very important for your MCQ. Poverty is the main reason of a juvenile offense in our country. many desired demand of the juveniles of poor families remain unfulfilled. For this reason, they suffer from frustration, and frustration leads them towards offense. Look, when you see a poor family, you find out the problem is poverty, and they did not maintain their family, and they did not balance food to the family. They aren't very poor, their income is very poor. For this reason, the child are very frustrated, and frustrated leads them towards offense. The juveniles may also become offenders if they don't get a healthy family life. So healthy family is very important for a proper proper growing a child. Proper social environment. Many juveniles become offenders due to following reason: inability of the uh, parents to spare time for their very important cause. Inability of parents, they don't spend their time for children, or to give attention, not to actually they not to give attention to their children, them owing to their extreme business at their workplace or outside home. Lack of affection. Actually, most of the time, this child stay in the home without parents, and because their parents very busy, so they involve the uh, unsocial activity and antisocial behavior. They show antisocial behavior. Lack of affection, caring, premature death of parents, or their divorce. It's a vital issue. Divorce, excessive punishment. When a child got excessive punishment, they and these punishment leads the spoil their life, or monitoring of the parents are the cause of the offense. The unusual conjugal relationship between parents and their bad conduct also sometimes make children offense prone. There are some parents who are offenders. It's true, there are some parents in our Bangladesh who are offenders, bad manner, indifferent, incapable, absent minded about family. Um, some parents are not giving more attention on their child, what are they going, what type of food they taking. They have no headache of their child, about their child. The children of this type of parents behave abnormally in the family, and because in this situation, in this circumstance, a child grow up a abnormal situation, and their personality build up totally abnormally in the family, and later on grow up as offenders. Many young boys and girls become offenders for want of proper recreation. It's very important of a man's life, proper recreation. The children who are associated with games, sports, it's a physical games, music, drawing picture. Actually drawing picture, the child involve their brain in drawing, physical exercise, different type of cultural activity, normally grow up in a healthy manner, in a pleasant environment. On the other hand, those who are deprived of this facility seek other paths to get rid of mental dissatisfaction. Actually, these offenders' child uh, are already suffering from the mental dissatisfaction. This is why who later on get involved with different type of offenses. There are slum in different parts and industrial areas of the town. The slum environment and many bad incident of that place make the children offenders. When a child grew up a slum in a slum, and you observe their activities, their manners, they did not know how to show the how to show respect to the elders, and how to behave the child and woman, because always this seeing the quarrel father mothers and neighbors, so they their personality develop in this situation. And the young children of the slum also get involved with offenses due to bad company and poverty. Poverty is the main cause, and parents indifferent is the main cause. The poor children become compelled to earn money at the early age. They actually their family involve them to earn money and adopting many illegal activities at an early age. They sometimes spend this money in gambling, taking wine or drugs, and watching obscene movies. You see, when you observe, when you walking on the Mirpur 10 roads, you see some children taking dandy, one kind of drugs. They get inclined towards crime in their attempt to earn money. Physical or mental problem or deformity creates inferiority complex in the mind of the children. Many may inferiority complex, so one of the big issue to develop when a child grew up in a disturbance atmosphere, and then he developed in a inferiority complex, and grow up in an inferiority complex. Many may become criminal or offenders due to this. Again, too much emotion and genius may also sometimes make the children criminals, offenders, because the mental makeup of these children become more complex than the ordinary ones. Others, one of the reasons they also may become criminals offender due to not getting proper information or flourishing their genius. The children of these parents who frequently change their workplace, like government employee, when they transferred one place to another, one town to another, and their child fall in a mental depression because they left their friend circle, their school. It was one of the mental pressure on them, cannot cope with a new environment each time. They face a problem in selecting their friends or associates. In this way, many may become offenders due to bad company. At present, another type of new juvenile offense is seen in the society due to abuses of mobile and internet. Lesson 2: the effect and the prevention of juvenile offense. Stealing, pickpocketing, traveling by train without ticket, attacking men, shop, houses, and vehicles, breaking and setting them on fire, doing other destructive work, and teasing the girls are some of the offenses committed by the juvenile. When you passing in the market and other place, you look some boys who are standing and on the corner of the road, and they teaching, and they use slang language. These are the juveniles offenders sometimes commit robbery in a group also. They think say it is a adventure, but it is not adventure. Also extort money for the businessman. Sometimes they even commit murder. The peace of the family with such juvenile offenders is disturbed. Recently, if teaching by juvenile offenders is increasing in all places in both towns and villages. It's a social problem. If teaching, they utter filthy and offensive words to the girls. The girls cannot go to school, college safely if they don't respond to illegal proposal or derailed juveniles. They kidnap and physically torture like rape the girls. They also throw acid on them. Many acid case. If you seek the Google, if you search the Google on ACIS Survival Foundation, you got more evidence. A lot of girls acid affected by the juvenile offenders. In their attempt to protest, the guardians sometimes become victims of their attack. The institutional education of the girls is sometimes closed, and the guardian feared, afraid, and they close their girls' child's education due to torture of the degraded juvenile. The juvenile offenders are frequently related to drug addiction and other bad habits. And sometimes we see the political leaders back up them and help them, because they selling the political leaders selling the drugs through uh, these juvenile offenders. Preventive measures. Tendency of juveniles offense is increasing in Bangladesh. The following step should be taken: the consciousness and responsibility of guardians. If the parents and elderly person of the family remain conscious of the types of tendency of juvenile offense, it causes and remedies, they can easily keep juveniles away from doing any offense. If you see a juvenile delinquent family, or if you have a juvenile delinquent offenders in your family, at first you have to attend him and attention him and him or her, and counseling him or her. They can easily keep juveniles away from the doing any offense. For this, it is necessary to create a healthy atmosphere for the mental flourishment of the offsprings in the family. Their movement should be watched over. The actually guardian have to attention their child, what type of friends they have. They should be watched him or her. Their friends and associates should be encouraged of any and easy and normal relationship should be built with the offsprings. Socio-economic program. The poverty of the family is the main reason of committing offense by the juvenile. For this reason, employment opportunities of the parents and the development of economic condition of the parents must be ensured. The government and different non-government organization, it means NGO, must come forward to this effect. Education opportunities. Look, all children and juvenile must be brought under the primary and the secondary education. If so, on one hand, they will be inspired by education to lead healthy and sound life. On other hand, the environment of the school will keep them away from committing any offense. Recreation. It is necessary to build a uh, library and gymnasiums in every area. Actually, we have to set up library and gymnasium in every area, mohalla, for the mental development, or we have to create how in-house games. We have to create sports like one area to another areas, cricket match, football match we have to arrange, because it is a kind of mental recreation for the juveniles. Look, apart from all the activities mentioned above, the child and the juveniles must be kept away from doing any bad activity. For this reason, there should be arrangement of showing them local and foreign movies which will give them pure pleasure. So we have to conscious when we make a film, because there are there are very small or very little recreational movie for the child, but I want to say for to the directors or film directors, please made a childish or child related film as early as possible, uh, for preventing the juvenile offenders. These movies should also be informative, scientific and literary field. Obscene film and publication should be fully banned. Child labor should be forbidden. And ILO already said it. On one side, the children and the juvenile themselves should be alert so that they don't get involved with bad company. On the other side, the guardian have to give a space for their child, and they will be a good friend to their child, and they make a close relationship with them. The concept and causes of drug addiction. Drug addiction begins by mixing with drug addict friends. The juveniles take drugs being instigated by friends only to get monetary excitement. They do this. They do this without knowing anything about the harmful effect of drugs. At first, they get it through their friends, and they think it is a very advancing, and they take it one time. When they take it, and they have addiction, and for this addiction, this addiction leads them take once and more. Later this becomes the causes of their death. The juveniles are by nature curious. As a result, many started to take drugs only out of curiosity. The juveniles sometimes steals bidi or cigarette from the pockets of their fathers or other elderly person, only to satisfy their curiosity. This curiosity at one time leads them to smoking. They later on develop the habit of smoking and taking other intoxicating items such as hemp, fentanyl, heroin, yaba, and this is very popular, yaba tablet. Many start to suffering from frustration due to unemployment, loneliness when they uh, take yaba and this type of high drug. Then they have they did not sleep or they did not eat a long time because the action is active. The betrayal, love, family disturbance, etc. To get rid of this frustration at the instigation of friends or following the friends, many start taking drugs items. Later on, this turns into their intoxication. The juvenile may also suffer from frustration by being deprived of paternal affection, attention, or frustration may also come from a family disturbance and quarrel. At one stage, they please stop quarrel. I want to request the uh, parents, please stop the quarrels and disturbance. Please make a good environment for children. At one stage they become drug addicted. The influence of bad culture is another main reason of drug addiction. At present, the culture of one country is being easily influenced by the culture of another country through cinema, TV channel, internet. Uh, um, a group of juveniles are being misguided and lost due to the clash of two different cultures. Actually, culture is a way of man's life, but when you take others' culture, it's your culture, Bangladeshi cultures, your food habit, your dress up. When you take others' culture through the sky culture, then you misguided and you um, fall in um, contradiction. Which culture you follow, what type of culture you have to follow, you fall in a contradiction. So you have to follow or maintain your own culture because it's made for you and you born in this culture. So avoid the others culture. Thank you very much.